Standing to my right.
Mr. Austin was supposed to be here at 10:30 today.
Yes, I was running a little late.
A little late, because I heard you asking somebody what time it was at about 1:50.
No.
This is where things start slipping. The judge is locking in on inconsistencies, and in court, credibility is currency. If your timeline doesn't add up, everything else you say starts losing value. What do you think? Honest mistake? Or is he digging himself deeper?
Yeah, you asked the young lady in the hallway, do you know what time it is? She told you what time it was.
Oh yeah, 1:50. But at
Yeah.
10:30 this morning, I came here this morning, but I was here at like 10:50. I talked to him, and he told me that to come back at 1:30. And I was here.
At 10:50? I was sitting on this bench at 10:50.
I was here, man. This morning.
She was gone by the time I talked to you.
She was gone by the time.
And your attorney was gone too.
Yes.
That wasn't 10:50.
I could be wrong on the time. It could be
Yeah,
about 11
yeah.
o'clock. I caught the 10:45 bus because I missed the 10:22.
Oh, you caught the
bus.
10:45 bus and got here in 5 minutes upstairs.
Yeah, I'm just right at the VOA.
Right, I know you did right at the VOA.
And there it is, the judge applying real-world logic. Travel time, security, timing, it's all being tested. This isn't just about being late anymore. It's about whether his story can survive basic scrutiny.
Wait, but the bus got you here. You got through security upstairs and in this building in 5 minutes.
Running. Running.
There's a sense of urgency around.
Yeah, I
I
see.
was trying to get
I
because
see.
I've never missed a court date.
Got it. Okay, got it. I hear you. Well, nonetheless, you are here. I said I would hold it for 48 hours because your attorney was clear that you had been in contact with her, so she expected you to be here. And that she said she would give you a phone call. I see here that there is an offer. Excuse me. There is an offer for you to plead guilty to count 1, receiving concealed stolen property less than 200, and they.
Now we shift gears. This is the plea deal moment. Legally, this is huge. He's being offered a chance to reduce his exposure by accepting guilt on one count while the other disappears. The question is, take the deal or risk trial? What would you do here?
Would dismiss count 2, is that accurate?
Yes.
Do you want to take that offer or accept it and plead guilty to count 1? Raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you're going to give is the truth and the whole truth under penalty of perjury? You can put your hand down. This is an advice of rights and plea information sheet. There's 2 pages here. This lists all but the 12th right. And then there's a signature page here. Is that your signature? Could you go over these rights? Do you understand each of the rights listed here? I'm going to date this for today, okay? And you're willing to give up these rights? Each of these rights, that is, so that you can plead guilty to count 1. So that means that you understand your right to the presumption that you are innocent until proven guilty, that you can maintain your innocence, take this matter to trial, have a jury trial, require the prosecutor prove each element of each of the charges that they're bringing against you beyond a reasonable doubt before you are to be considered guilty. You understand that? You have the right to be silent at any trial. They will not be able to use that silence against you to prove that you're guilty or to imply that you're guilty. You have the right to waive your silence, take the stand and testify at your trial and present any evidence or defense that you believe support your defense in this case. You also have the right to question or cross-examine any of the witnesses that the prosecutor calls to testify against you. You understand those rights? Okay. And you want to give all of those rights up? Is anyone threatening you to get you to do that? God threatened you? Yeah, he could have.
He just told me.
Like,
He's not a man, so
If you don't do
did any
it,
man threaten you?
no.
Okay. Any promises extended to you, not by God, but any persons
No, man.
that got you to be coerced to want to plead guilty to count 1?
No, man.
Lastly, and very important, are you looking to plead guilty to count 1 because you believe that you're guilty of count 1?
I'm holding accountability for that. Yes.
Because you believe you're guilty? Okay. Are you on probation or on parole?
I am on parole.
Until when?
I got 10 more months
MDOC?
in DLC.
You understand that by pleading guilty.
Now this is where it gets serious. He's already on parole, so this plea doesn't exist in isolation. It can trigger consequences beyond this case, including violations or additional time. One decision here can ripple across multiple legal problems.
It could result in a conviction that could have impact on your parole status.
Yeah, I talked to my parole officer about that, and she already had violated. I did 18 days in jail for it. And then I got out and we had talked about it, so she knows all of everything that's going on.
Okay, it also could result in a conviction if you plead guilty that you might need to put on a current or future job application.
Yes, ma'am.
And it may have impact on where you can travel or get immigration status. Some people, or some countries, I should say, are not allowing individuals with crimes related to theft into their country. You understand that? Okay. As to receiving, concealing a stolen property less than 200, how do you plead? Actual basis.
Mr. Alston, on or about December 14th, around 405 South Butler Avenue, did you buy a wallet from someone?
Yes, I did.
Did you have reason to know that that wallet was stolen?
I did.
Did that wallet carry a value of less than $200?
It carries lessons on, yes.
Did this event happen in the county of Ingham, the city of Lansing, and the state of Michigan?
Yes, it did.
I think that suffices.
You bought a wallet. What kind of wallet was this?
It was a Coach wallet.
You bought it from just someone off the street or someone you
Yes,
knew?
it was a nice new Coach wallet. It was nice.
Okay, and was it new?
It looked new.
What do you mean it looked new?
It was very close to being new, but it didn't look new.
Oh, very close to this. So you thought you knew that it was used?
Yeah, that's why I paid the amount of money I paid for it.
Okay, and it had things inside of it?
That's where I knew that it was stolen.
Oh, okay.
When I looked inside of it, we saw the things inside. That's how
And you still bought it?
No, I didn't realize it until after I bought it.
Or after you bought it, then you investigated it further?
Yes.
So you didn't open the wallet before you bought it? I don't even go to a store and buy a wallet without opening it. I don't.
It was so cold and I was moving so fast, and then when
But you just had to buy a wallet.
I bought
a Coach wallet.
Yeah.
Even though it's cold and you're moving so fast, because you move fast, because you got from the VOA on the bus through security up here in 5 minutes.
Close to 5 minutes. I was moving fast.
I see. Okay, any questions from the prosecution?
No, Your Honor. Prosecution satisfied.
The court is satisfied with the factual basis that finding your plea to be voluntarily and intelligently made.
And just like that, it's done. Plea accepted. Now everything shifts to sentencing, where the real consequences are decided. The judge will look at his history, behavior, and yes, even moments like today. So here's the question. Did he help his case or hurt it?
The matter scheduled for sentencing is going to be March 24th at 9 a.m. When you leave here, go downstairs. You have to check in with probation so that you can get set up for a pre-sentence interview. They will advise the court about your past criminal history and a recommendation about how they believe you should be sentenced. Is there any restitution being sought?
No, Your Honor, there's not.
And there's no victim, correct?
No, there's not. The property that was found was returned.
Do you have any questions for the court?
Your Honor, is there any chance that we could wait the sentencing for later? Can we have that happen today?
You mean you want to move to immediate sentencing when he's already on parole? And no, because he moves too fast. And I think what we need to do to help him is slow him down a little bit. And maybe he can make some better decisions. So I don't have his criminal history. I don't have anything about his parole status or even what he's on parole for, and that would take me some time to deal with, and I have a meeting in 12 minutes with the state bar.
Okay, thank you for the.
So we will see him for sentencing. He is welcome to appear for sentencing on Zoom though, as long as you have a working device with a video. Okay,
Okay, that's March 9th.
March 24th
March
at 9.
at-
Any additional matters for the record?
Nothing further. Ron.
Thank you. You're all set.